Hello everyone, my name is Gina and welcome to Season Beauties. Our video on today, we will be unboxing our March Allure Beauty Box. Now, for those of you who are not familiar with it, I will leave all the details down below, but this box is $25 per month and it does include, actually for the most part, it is deluxe samples, sample size products, but we get at least two full size products every month. Okay, so without further ado, we're going to go ahead and get this box open and see exactly what's inside. Now, it starts off when we open it, it looks like this. It has a beauty mag in it. Okay, and it says we know beauty best, and yes, this is associated with the Allure magazine. It says Allure has been a touchstone in the beauty industry for more than 30 years. We literally invented beauty journalism back when the first issue of Allure was published, and we've been critically evaluating beauty products and their ingredients list ever since. Thank you very much. Okay, now before we go any further, if you do like this look, there is a video that you will see soon. All right, and it's actually not just about the look, but we are now doing something called Brush Week, and I am showing you all of the looks that we've created with brushes that we've received in our subscription boxes. All right, so let's just get started. So when I opened up the box, of course you saw the mini mag, but we're going to get to the products. All right, so the theme for this month is a new light. It says spring is around the corner, and I love that feeling. It's like everything is on the verge of lightening up, including my wardrobe. I buy gigantic sweaters and my beauty routine. All right, so the first item that we're going to talk about, I love this line. Okay, it's by Danessa Myricks, and it's this one right here. And it says this is the Danessa Myricks Beauty Yummy Skin Blurring Balm Low Lighter. Now, it came in one of 3 shades, and the one that I received is called Incognito. That's a nice shade for me, so I'm here for that. Now, it says, we've heard of low lights in the hair, but for cheeks, that's a new one. In this unique balm to powder formula, low lights refers to a natural looking glow and soft focus effect, thanks to a very cool blurring ingredient called Upsolite, without an obvious I'm wearing highlighter vibe. It's a subtle way to get glowing, perfect for revving up your makeup for spring. All right, now this says this is a 6 gram or 0.21 ounce size, and it says, of course, Danessa Myricks Beauty. Let's see what type of shelf life it has, which is 12 months. Not bad, not bad. And a texture reducing blurring balm. Oh, blurring balm to powder, and a soft matte color that subtly low lights and blurs to a natural lifted glow. So this is what the outer packaging looks like, which is not bad at all. And let's see what the inside packaging looks like. Now, this is part of the Yummy Skin line, okay? Did you see that on the box? Right there. All right. And so, woohoo, this is what the inside packaging looks like right here. And I'm excited to swatch this, to tell you the truth. But of course, you know we swatch in the end. All right. Would you like to see what the shade looks like? Because I am going to swatch it. But this is what it looks like. Very nice. You kind of see a little bit of a subtle kind of shimmer on that. Do you see that, or is that just me? Well, we're going to find out in a few minutes. So that one is item number 1. And the manufacturer suggested retail price for this size, which is considered a full-size product, is $25. Guess what? Just paid for the box right there. All right. So that one is item number 1. Item number 2 is Glow Recipe. I haven't had one of these in a very long time. And this is the Plum Plump Hyaluronic Gloss Balm. It says it's my obvious favorite. OMG. I've gone through 5 pots. Okay. I'll never hesitate to use it. The reviews are in from Allure editors, and they're almost as glowing as our lips when bathed in this cool tinted balm. The Allure Best of Beauty Award winner has a texture we can only describe as juicy. It's thick but not heavy, shiny but not sticky, and flavored but not in a childish way. In short, it's the perfect balm to keep lips hydrated. I am so here for this. So here for this. Yes, I am. Okay, so anyway, this is a 0.52. Is that true? Yep. This is a 0.52 ounce size, or 15 grams. And let's see what kind of shelf life this has, because it's been a minute. Okay, it does have a 12-month shelf life. It is a cruelty-free product, and I'm excited about it. It's a lip balm and gloss all in one. Not bad at all. So that is the outer packaging, of course. And this is what the inside packaging looks like. This is really cute. And it's not too big to put in your bag. It is big, just not too big to put in there. All right. And it's nice and thick. And it smells so nice. Yeah. Okay. When you're putting a balm or a gloss on your lips, we can appreciate when it has a subtle or nice flavor as well as a scent. We don't have a problem using that then, okay? I'm just saying, we don't have a problem with that. So this one is item number 2. And the manufacturer suggested retail price for this one, which is also a full-size product, is $22. All right, there we go. So let's keep going. The next item that we have is by Skin Fix, and it's this one right here. This is the Triple Lipid Eye Treatment. And it says, another Allure Best of Beauty winner. This lightweight eye cream is gentle enough for sensitive skin, but still manages to depuff with caffeine, brighten with niacinamide, and smooth with peptides, the delicate eye area. All right, now this one is a 15 milliliter size, or a 0.5 fluid ounce size. I'm loving the fact that we're getting so many of the Best in Beauty Award winners. Now this one has a 6-month shelf life, so we probably will not be opening this one today because I am currently using a product already, and I will list it up here where you can see what my current skincare is. So I'm very excited about this one. It gets rid of dark circles, fine lines, and lid creases. I might have to switch up, okay? Under eye bags and puffiness, and crow's feet. Alrighty, so this is what the inside packaging looks like. Pretty much the same as the outside. Okay, and let's see. The manufacturer suggested retail price for this one. And guess what? This one is also a full-size product. It is $54. We have more than paid for this box 3 times over, just with the first 3 products. All right, the next item that we have is by Versed. And it's this one right here. This is the Versed Dew Point Gel Cream Moisturizer. It says, as the weather starts to warm up, switching to a lighter moisturizer can feel as refreshing as a spring breeze. This jelly formula has the same bouncy vibe, delivering serious hydration with ingredients like jojoba seed oil. We'd like to see a spring breeze do that. How about that? And yes, this tube is full. Y'all know I'm going to check for you. Now, this one is a full 2 fluid ounce size. It has green tea extract and aloe leaf juice. Okay. And it says it's made for all skin types. It says run it over clean skin morning and night for a happy moisturized complexion. Okay. So yet again, we have another full-size product. Okay. And this one, as I told you, is 2 fluid ounces, but it's also 60 milliliters, and that is the full-size product. And this one is $14.99. Okay, let me tell you, thank you very much for all the full-size products this month, Allure. All right, so let's just keep going. So the next item that we have, we know this one is not a full-size product. That we know right off the bat, but it is by Belief. And this is the Super Drops Niacinamide Golden Glow Serum. And it says the same Super Drops does not disappoint. This skincare makeup hybrid from beloved K-beauty brand Belief gives skin an instant glow with gold pearls, brightened with vitamin C, and blurs the look of pores in the process. How about that, y'all? Okay, now this one says it is a 10 milliliter or 0.33 fluid ounce size. Improves skin radiance instantly, it says. Instantly. That is saying a lot. A whole lot. Oh my goodness. All right, let's see. This one has a 12-month shelf life. So let's just see what the inside packaging looks like. Of course, it's the same as the previous one. I think the other one we have is blue. So here we go. Now, if we were to get the full-size product, which would be 50 milliliters, the manufacturer suggested retail price would be $38. Now, that would be for the full size, which this one is definitely not. Okay. Well, we have one more product. This one is also a sample size product, but this one is a Sephora collection product, and it's the Size Up Volumizing Mascara. Now, it says this small but mighty tube houses tons of drama. The fluffy wand and rich formula gives lashes impressive volume, making it the perfect way to finish off any makeup look. Now, this one says immediate supersized volume. So it says 180% volume. It says it is a vegan product. And we have this one in black. Oh, it says ultra black. And it's a 1.5 gram or 0.05 ounce size. And the only thing is this one doesn't have a shelf life on it, but it's because it's a trial size. So when we open it, that means you need to get using it. All right. And I will let you know when I do. So I am excited about that. All right. So what's your thoughts? All right. I actually love everything that we received. Now, let me just tell you this. I am about that skincare life. Okay. The only item that we have to swatch today is going to be our Danessa Myricks product. Everything else is skincare. I might dab on this because it's a gloss. Let me get a brush. Just very little on the brush. Wow. Okay, I'm here for it right off the bat. Okay, that works for me. Definitely works for me. So that means we have 12 months to use it all. Don't have a problem with that at all. Okay, so the only other product that we have is the Denesamyrix Low Light. All right, now I want to see the way she says is the best way to use it. It says tap on with finger or brush to face, eye, and lip. Wow, it's a little late. I'm not going to put it on my lip, but what I will do, I'm going to do the back of my hand. I have a brush here so we can kind of see. So I'm going to use this brush here. Wow. Can you see that shimmer look right there now? Okay. So let's just let it do its thing. Are we seeing a difference? Let's see. With, without. Do we see it? Of course we do. Of course we do. Definitely liking this. I like the blurring effect because I can definitely see that. And that was just a little dab. So if we were to put, you know, just a little bit more on, let's see how it kind of blurs. Okay, so I definitely like this product. I like the effects that I see. Here for it. Here for it, okay? So I'm excited to use it on my face so I can see exactly how it works closer to my low lights here, okay? So what do you think? Please tell me down below. Please tell me down below. This is pretty amazing. I'm very, very satisfied. I do not have to get a lot of makeup. I just want to tell you, I thank you so very much for choosing to spend time with me on today as we unboxed our Allure Beauty Box. This is for the month of March. What do you think about the items that we received? These are the items that were included. Down below is the total manufacturer suggested retail price for all of the full-size products. Just the full-size products that we did receive. Okay, now, make sure you like, give it a thumbs up, comment, let me know your thoughts, and subscribe. Become a part of the Seasoned Beauties family. We'd be more than happy to have you, and it's very easy on the pockets because it is free. All right, share this video, share the Allure Beauty Box with someone else. Let them know. If you would like to try it out for yourself, there is a coupon code down below that will get you $10 off on your first box. All right, now, most importantly, remember, regardless of the season that you are in, you will always be a seasoned beauty. Until next time.